Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing exceptionally well today. We're back once again for a brand new and in-depth cryptocurrency analysis session, so let's dive right in and take a comprehensive look at the current state of Bitcoin immediately. Currently, Bitcoin is, as we observe, showing some interesting movements. Correcting the significant drop it had experienced here, this particular drop right here, it is currently in the process of actively correcting it. If it corrects, so if it gives us a significant and noticeable correction, we could potentially see a three-wave corrective pattern. That means this initial movement would be considered an A wave, then we would subsequently have a B wave, perhaps a B wave forming in three distinct waves, possibly a flat correction followed by another upward push before ultimately continuing the downward movement and the overall drop. So you need to be careful here. If you're buying at the bottom, take some profits and set your stop to break even. Right now we have this upward trend. And here, Bitcoin has broken the trend line, but it hasn't broken the last low yet. So at this moment, there's no clear beginning of a significant bearish trend for now. However, if it specifically breaches the previous low point here, if it indeed breaks $34,700, that will strongly suggest we're moving towards a corrective B wave of this larger potential A wave structure that we are currently observing here. Or else it could come straight down and potentially break the previous low, which I seriously doubt. I truly think we can expect a significant correction here for a little bit longer before finally dropping, as I just mentioned before. Here it dropped, it broke the trend line, but the drop wasn't aggressive. It didn't break the last low or this low here. So for now, we need to keep an eye on it. If I were to observe Bitcoin experiencing a significant drop like this, clearly breaking below its previous low, and subsequently forming distinct bearish flags, I would definitely be looking to initiate a sell position, especially if there's strong downward momentum confirming the trend. So for the immediate future, based on the current upward push we are witnessing here, we have divergence on this push, on this upward trend. There's divergence, so that's something to watch. Next, for Ethereum, I told you in the last video that after this push, I was looking for a flat. For now, it's ranging, so it seems to be confirming for us. This would be an A, this move another A, this AB, and we could have a C, and another drop before giving its push. So same thing here. It dropped, it's correcting here, it's ranging, so theoretically that means a continuation is likely. So let's take a look at the CRO from crypto.com. So we had a really strong upward move here, and now it is clearly retracing, as we can see. Let's look in relation to the Fibonacci. There's not really any divergence on this drop. Here it's dropping, there's momentum, but it doesn't give an ending structure, so I'm not looking for a reversal to the upside, but we'll keep an eye on it anyway. So WIF, maybe a very nice flat, or perhaps a running flat here. A, the B that breaks the top of A, the C that must not break this low. So the C must not break below 85 cents. As long as it doesn't break the low there, I'm looking to buy. If it breaks below 86 cents, we forget about buying. We would be starting a larger corrective structure, but it could be an interesting buying setup for Wi-Fi. And so I think that's all for today. So don't hesitate to like the video, leave a comment if you want me to analyze a particular crypto, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.